So today's project is to clean up this server cabinet. This is a home user, got some pretty high-end equipment, however it's not exactly in the most tidy condition. So the components we've got is a Unify switch router. We've also got a NAS, another PoE switch, a lot of power cables and so forth, which we'll be cleaning up. And down here we've got a fibre rod with power as well. So we'll be focusing on this area here and get that all cleaned up with a little mini rack. So fast forward in time, here we go, we're finished. So you can see a mini rack has been installed with cable management, and it's made a lot more space, a lot tidier, so that obviously it's easier to manage and obviously creates more space, so more things can be stored in the future. Wasn't without its challenges, of course, but we got past those. This is quite a small cupboard, and the cables unfortunately were very short. Without running a bunch of cables, we had to get the rack and unfortunately move it over a little bit to the right hand side. Would have preferred it to be in the middle there, but because of those cables, that's why it's there. But it actually worked quite well. Everything's accessible and as I say, very tidy.